Good morning, boys and girls. This week we're going to be studying two vowel sounds. We're going to study ooh, like in moon. Okay, there are several ways to spell this vowel sound. Double O, like our moon. EW, UE, and UI. Okay, ooh. Our other vowel sound for the week is like foot. Really, I should put these brackets around to show that it's the sound. So, foot makes the So you can spell the sound, double O, and U. Okay, let's try a few. Oh, few. Few. That says ooh, like moon. Few. Okay, let's try fruit. Fruit. Let's try blue. Bull. Ooh. Okay, and let's try another one. Oh, we'll go on to the like foot. How about put? Put. Book. And look. Excellent. Okay, double O. Let's go ahead. I'm going to close up this part of my screen and I want you to try some of your own words and then I'll go over it. Okay, but they're up over there so you can still see the patterns if you need help. Here are the words. Get a dry erase marker and whiteboard. Get a scratch piece of paper and pencil, and it's your turn to try some words, and then I will go over them with you. Remember, ooh and Okay, first one, let's try glue. Okay, I'll go over how to spell them at the end. Let's try chew. You don't have to sort into the two different categories. Just try your own way. Next one, bush. And we'll do a compound word, bookmark. And the last one, school. And now I'm going to go over how to spell them. Glue was our first one. Glue. Next one was bush. Bush. Chew. Bookmark. We could spell book, mark, put it together, bookmark. And the last one, school. School. Okay, now you're going to work on the phonics I can read. You'll have decodables all week practicing the ooh and the vowel sounds, okay? Have a super day.